This thing says best shot in the world. Not kidding. I don't know if you can hear this, but like, I don't know what temperature it is, but it must be like, it's awesome. Get off this. I've never been this high in the world, ever. This is amazing. So you can't distinguish. Normal, it's the rest of Switzerland and the biggest other mountains. And then that way, over there, actually, that's supposed to be France. No, actually, over there, that's the biggest Italy. It's in Italy. Over there, that's supposed to be France, and the rest of the biggest mountains in Switzerland. My hands are freezing right now, so I'm just gonna leave. Okay, see you.